This is my review of the Bonavita 8-cup coffee maker. I'm not happy with it, first of all. I purchased it from Amazon directly back in May 2024. It's now September 2024. I've had it 5 months. There's numerous problems with it. It is made in China. It's very expensive. Does it make a good cup of coffee? Yeah, as long as you use and grind coffee immediately and use it. It's like a pour over. It's like $270, and let me tell you some of the problems with this. First of all, a big selling point, they advertise it as 6 minutes brew time. You can't just take it off part way through like an auto drip, so you're waiting for it. That was a selling point to me. It takes 8.5 minutes. I've timed it because I noticed it was longer multiple times. I'm on Virginia Water. I contacted them about it saying, hey, you're not even close. You're 33% off. You could tell they knew it. They made some excuses. That was a red flag. Another red flag is the filters. They act as if it's proprietary. Their filters are very expensive. Worse, they mark up the shipping. The shipping's real high. Through my time, I found a certain Bun coffee filter. You can look it up. I bought it in bulk from Amazon. It was a little pain to deal with, but it works just fine. I don't notice any difference. As you can see, I got a Bonavita kettle. I've never had any problem with that. I've had it a number of years, but this thing's a different animal. And last and most important, and I've only had this 4 months, this is supposed to lift to pour in, and you can see here, see a knob on the right, the knob on the left is broke off, just from lifting it and pouring it. Regular use, the last 4 months. Now here's the kicker. I look on Bonavita, in this whole top section, they sell. You ever seen that on a coffee maker? So they know they got a problem. And instead of making this better, or making it in a better country, considering the price than China, they'd rather just sell you this whole top thing to replace it for 30 bucks with shipping they mark up. So not happy with them at all, and would not recommend it. Go buy one from this company. They have a comparable one, and it's got to be better than this thing. Thanks.
This is the third time I started it. As you can see, it still has around 2 cups that I didn't finish with. We've tried the desalination, we put vinegar in there multiple times, it just doesn't work. We're really not happy with this product.